Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a PST file in Outlook 365. PST files are incredibly useful for backing up your emails, archiving old messages, or transferring data between accounts, so knowing how to create one can save you a lot of hassle down the line. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. This step is important because you need your emails and account data to be fully loaded before you can create a PST file. Give it a moment to sync everything, especially if you have a lot of emails or if it's your first time logging in on this device. Once everything is loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to navigate to the right menu. Look toward the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a tab labeled Home. Click on Home to access all the formatting and email management tools that Outlook offers. This is essentially your control center for most day-to-day tasks within the app. Now, from the Home menu, direct your attention to the top left part of your screen. Here you'll find a drop-down option called New Items. Click on it to reveal a list of different things you can create within Outlook. From this drop-down menu, hover your cursor over the option that says More Items. When you do this, the menu will expand to show you additional choices. This is where the magic happens. In the expanded options, look for and click on Outlook Data File. This is the option that allows you to create your PST file. Once you click it, a File Explorer window will appear on your screen. This window lets you choose exactly where you want your PST file to be saved. Take a moment to navigate to your preferred destination folder, whether that's your desktop, documents folder, or an external drive for backup purposes. It's entirely up to you where you want to store it. Just make sure it's somewhere you'll remember. After you've selected your destination folder and configured any other settings you need, click on OK to finalize and save your PST file. Outlook will now create the file in the location you specified, and you're all set. You've successfully created a PST file that you can use for archiving, backup, or transferring your Outlook data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.